Okay, students, good afternoon. Am I
Good
audible?
afternoon, sir. Yes, audible.
Yes, okay. Now I will share my screen to show you the video that yesterday I have told you I will show you some video about alternator. So let me okay. Now can you show this? Can you able to see this? Hello? Can you able to see
Yes,
this?
yes.
Yes, okay. So I will not totally run the video. I will run the video in particular places and show you that how the alternator construction look like. Alternator or synchronous generator. As I have shown you in the board in the last class, here I will show you how its construction look like. Acha, is the video is running properly?
So it's breaking.
Okay, no problem. I will pause it in a particular place. Acha, this is the rotor. Can you see it?
Yes,
This
sir.
Yes.
response,
We can see.
yes. This is the rotor. This part. Can you see my cursor also?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes, sir. We can see the card.
this is the rotor. These are the things that is coming up like this. This is known as pole, and this portion is the stator. The inner side portion is the stator portion. The winding that I have shown in the last class by showing the slots and pole and face, that winding are wound in the stator side. But this is the rotor side where you are seeing that the shaft is already connected with the rotor, and these are the poles. This thing, this one, this one, this one, this one are the poles. So as I have told you earlier that in case of alternator, when they are generating huge amount of voltage, we prefer the rotating. Good afternoon. Rotating field and static armature. So that field is rotating because we are connecting the shaft with the rotor. Okay. Now let me just now you can see that these are the poles. These are the poles. These are the coils. Just we are just removing the poles, and these are the coils. These are the poles, and these are the coils that are wound on it. So these coils are connected with a DC source so that it will become an electromagnet, and it will create north pole, again north pole, south pole, south pole. So this is how they are. This is a 4-pole system. It can be 4, it can be 6, like this. But this is how the poles are connected. So this here you can see these are the windings that are wound on the poles, and by connecting this winding with the DC source, we are making this as an electromagnet. Okay. Okay, now this is how they are connected. This is a positive and negative terminal. So as a result of that, as you can see, these lines, this circular lines is the magnetic field that is created due to these poles. Okay, because we know that if we connect this pole with an DC source, so this pole will be act as an electromagnet, and due to when an electromagnet is being created, so we know that there will be lines of force that will be acted around that electromagnet. So that lines of force is known as magnetic field. Do you able to see the figure, and do you able to understand what I am trying to say? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. If you don't able to understand, you can ask. Okay, that's why I am trying to show this video, because that will visualize your concept. By visualizing this thing, you can build your concept more clearly. Okay, so this is how
Okay,
the
sir.
field is been created. This is how the field is created. Now see, if we rotate this thing, that means the field are also rotating. So when field are rotating, so that means there is a time varying magnetic field is being working. That means d phi dt is being created, because the magnetic field is being moving. Okay, this is which law? Fleming left hand or right hand rule?
It's a right hand rule.
Okay, it's generator. Yes, right hand. So due to the rate of change of the flux, there will be an EMF induced. But so this is only the rotor part. I am not included. The stator is still not included. Now this is how the stator winding is being fitted. Okay, now after you see the slots, last day someone has asked me about how the slots has been made. Is there in the class? Someone has asked me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, I will. That will be clear by seeing this video. 1 minute. These are the three faces that are connected, and their end terminal are connected as a star connection. This one as a star connected. এই জন্য আমি বলি ক্লাসটাতে টাইম মতো ঢুকতে, বারবার করে ভিডিও বন্ধ করে অ্যাডমিট করা। So as you can see that, can you see this flux are cutting the winding as it is rotating? So this flux is cutting the winding. Can you able to see this?
Yes, yes.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now here what is it is showing that it is showing that if it is rotating very fast, like this way, so that means there will be a centrifugal force that will be acted on it. So that's why I have told you, that means this rotor, this shape is look like a circular shape. So this kind of rotor is known as salient pole rotor. Just wait, you can see that due to, if it is rotating very fastly, so that means the centrifugal force will be very high. So that's why for salient pole rotor, which is used in hydral power plant, the number of poles is increased, so that the formula we told that Ns equals to 120 F by P. So if P increases, so N is decreases. So in hydral power plant, the turbine rotates in a very slow speed. So that means the rotor will also rotate in very slow speed, because the shaft is connected with the turbine as well as connected with the rotor. So if it is moving very slowly, so that means number of poles has to be increased. So that's why salient pole has a greater number of poles compared to cylindrical rotor. Okay.
So in this salient pole, that means the pole is the pole is maximum and the speed is less, right?
Speed is decreases, yes, because the reason is that, always try to find the reason, because the reason is that in case of hydro power plant, the turbine rotates very slowly, so that means the shaft will also rotate very slowly, so that
Right.
means the field of the rotor will also rotate very slowly. So that's why, to increase that to generate that amount of speed, as it is rotating very slowly, so ns is decreasing, so that means p has to increase, so that's why p are maximum here. But in
And
case
so
of,
this is
yes,
just the opposite of cylindrical rotor,
yes,
right? Which is
yes,
used
yes,
in thermal power plant.
yes, yes, because in thermal power plant the rotor is rotating very fastly, because that is rotate by using the pressure of the steam. So by using the pressure of the steam, the rotor moving very fastly, so as a result of that, ns is very high, so p will be less. So it was nearly 2 or 4, not more than 4. In case of thermal power plant, the rotor field is 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is how it is rotating. As you can see, the speed of the rotor is 120 to 400 rpm. This is how the poles has been made. It is made with a thin laminated steel. Why thin laminated steel? To reduce the losses. Okay, and they are stacked together with a bar. Now these are the coil of the stator. Now when this rotor is moving, it is a time varying magnetic field is created, and that time varying magnetic field is cutting with the rotor, rotor winding. Okay, this time varying magnetic field is cutting the rotor winding, so as a result of that, d phi dt is created, so EMF is induced. That EMF is collected from the outside. Now this winding has to be put in some slots. This is how the slots are made. This is how the slots are made. This is how the slots are made. Can you see this? This is how the slots are made. This is another thing. This concept will come later. Slip ring concept will come later. That I told you. This is a DC generator that is mounted on the shaft to provide the DC supply to the field. Have you understand this? Why the DC generator is there? Because DC generator is there
Yes, sir.
to provide the DC supply to the field. Now, this is the stator. This part is stator, and this part of the stator is also made with the thin laminated steel, as you can see from the previous figure, like this. See this video clearly. This is the thin laminated steel are stacked together. Okay, so as a result of that, here this place will be one slot, this place will be another slot, this place will be another slot, and as a result of that, there are number of slots will be there. Now there is a common mistake by the student done. Now here the number of pole in the rotor, as you have seen that the number of pole on the rotor is very high, it is nearly 10 to 12 pole, but on the stator it is not always 10 to 12 pole. As I have told you last class, when the stator has been designed, its pole are created virtually. Okay, try to remember this thing. Its pole created virtually. Virtually pole means after the EMF induced in this coil, there will be a current flow. After that, the pole is created. But here we are making this as an electromagnet by supplying a DC source. So as a result of that, it will act as a magnet. But here there are no permanent magnet or electromagnet is being situated. How the pole has been created? Due to the EMF induced in the coil, there will be a current flow. So due to the current flow, one side will be act as a north side, other side of the stator slot will be act as a south side. Now don't get confused that rotor pole and stator pole, they are different. They are not same. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now the number of pole that is written on the outside of the generator, that this number of pole, that is the rotor pole, that is not stator pole. 2 or 4, that is on the rotor side. Turbo alternator or thermal power alternator, we use cylindrical type of rotor. There we use 2 or 4 pole, that is rotor pole. Also in case of salient type rotor, which we are using in hydro power plant, there we use number of poles that will be increased, that is rotor pole, not stator pole. Because stator pole, when you are making the stator winding, that means wounding the stator winding, before that, as per the manufacturer need, that means the manufacturer team or manufacturer designer team will decide that in the stator how much pole they will create, because stator pole is totally dependent on the manufacturer, because on the wounding of the stator coil the pole will be created. It can be 2, it can be 4, but if it is more than 4, then the size of this periphery will be very high. Why? Because as you have seen in the last class, for two stator pole there are 6 pole, because 3 phase, for each phase there are 2 pole. So if you try to visualize that thing, if the pole is 4, that means pole is 4 means we are trying to generate more electricity. Is my concept is clear? Or someone getting some problem, please ask.
Sir, can you please repeat
No, sir.
again
Please,
this?
please repeat, sir.
Okay, I will repeat the thing. Let me stop this thing. Acha, no, let it be. Now there are two things. One is stator pole, one is rotor pole. Okay. Now don't get confused on the stator and the rotor pole. Let try to be very clear. Now let's come to this rotor pole. Why rotor pole is there? Because rotor pole will decide the rotational speed of the rotor. Now rotational speed of the rotor depends on the shaft, and shaft is connected either on the turbine or in the steam power plant. Now in cylindrical rotor, as the speed is increased, so that means the pole will be decreased, rotor pole will be decreased. And in case of hydro power plant, as the rotor is moving very slowly, so the number of rotor pole will be increased. This is the rotor portion, leave there. Now come to the stator portion. Now as I have told you, the stator portion, there are no actual field is there, but in rotor portion these fields are there, these poles are there. But in stator portion, after the EMF is induced, then the pole is created virtually. Now in the last class I have shown you for 18 number of slots, 3 phase, 2 pole machine, number of total stator pole is 6. Now if we try to increase the generation, how we can increase the generation? That means if the stator coil is very high, that means the EMF that is induced by this pole, that will be cutting the coil of the stator, due to that the EMF is induced. Now simple thing, if the stator number of coil is increased, then the generation will increase. So how the stator number of coil will increase? That means it requires more slot. If number of slots is higher, so that means more coil we can wound on the slot. So that means more EMF it can generate. So now by choosing the stator periphery, if the stator periphery has 36 slots or 42 slots, then we can make stator pole 4 or 6. But if it is has 18 or 22 slots, then it will be 2 stator pole. Stator pole virtually not, it is not there physically, it is created virtually. So always try to remember one thing, that the number of pole that is written on the outside of the nameplate, that is the rotor
Sir.
pole, not stator pole. Yes.
Sir, what is the significance of this virtual stator pole?
Significance is that it is used to design the stator. That means जब तुम लोग स्टेटर में कॉइल को वुंड कर रहे हो, so there must be some way to manufacture that thing. देयर कैनॉट बी डू इट बाय आर्बिटरीली. हम लोग तो आर्बिटरीली नहीं कर सकते ना कि एक स्लॉट इधर से शुरू करके दूसरे स्लॉट को उधर में खत्म कर दे. टू मैन्युफैक्चर इट प्रॉपरली वी रिक्वायर दिस वर्चुअल स्टेटर पोल. ओके, क्योंकि अगर स्टेटर पोल हम लोग नहीं डिसाइड करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ पोल, नंबर ऑफ फेज अगर हम लोग नहीं डिसाइड करेंगे, सो देन वी कैनॉट मैन्युफैक्चर और कैनॉट wound the winding on the stator coil. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Others, do you have any query?
No, sir.
Is it clear, all the students? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It is clear. Okay. So, the number of poles that is written on the outside of the box, that is the rotor pole, that is dependent on the speed of the rotor, and stator pole is not there. It will be not written. We will not know how much stator pole is there. Only the manufacturer will know that how much stator pole is there, because stator pole but physically it is not required. অভিজিৎ কিছু বলবি?
Sir, how this three-phase induced?
How?
Three-phase induced.
Three-phase, how it is induced? As I have shown you in the last class, you are present in the last class, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now in the last class I have shown you for three-phase how the winding is been done, because for the one phase it is starting from 1, then for the next phase, that means three-phase 18 slots. So per slot will have 6. So that means each phase will have 6 slots. 18 divided by 3. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 18 divided by 3, 6. So that means if we starting the first phase from slot number 1, that means A phase or R phase, anyone, then the next phase, that is Y phase or B phase, will start from slot number 7. So this is how the three phase is created. Then the next phase will start it from slot number 13, just 6 after that. So like that way, as they are 120 degree apart, because each slot will have 20 degree, because total 360 degree and 18 slots. So 360 by 18, that is 20. So each slot will have 20 degree. So 6 slot will have 120 degree. So one is starting from 1, one is starting from 7. So that means they are separated by 120 degree. This is how the three phase has been created. Clear, Abhijit?
Sir, can you please show how this rotor flux is connected with the stator winding?
Yes, how the rotor flux is cutting the stator winding. Okay.
Yes, sir.
As you can see that, can you see this line? This yellow color
Yes, sir.
line? This is the magnetic field.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
when this rotor is rotating, just before that, when the rotor is rotating, can you see the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, now the rotor is rotating. Now see, the magnetic field that is created on the rotor, that is also rotating. That is the magnetic field that is
Yes,
created
sir.
on the rotor, that is also rotating. This is also rotating. So when it is rotating, it is cutting the stator coil.
Yes, sir.
So when the stator coil is cutting, now it is rotating in nature. So that means जो स्टेटर कॉइल को कट कर रहा है, उसका जो फ्लक्स स्टेटर कॉइल को कट कर रहा है, वो टाइम के साथ चेंज हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये रोटेट कर रहा है, तो डी हो रहा है. तो रेट ऑफ चेंज अगर फ्लक्स होगा तो हर एक कॉइल में ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होगा. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Sir.
समझ में नहीं आया तो फिर से बोलो, मैं बोल रहा हूं.
Yes, I can understand.
समझ में आया? जैसे मतलब हम लोग एक रोटर को घुमा रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो उसमें रोटर पोल में फील्ड क्रिएट हो रहा है. तो जब तुम इसे घुमाओगे तो फील्ड भी उसके साथ घूमेगा. तो अगर फील्ड अगर घूम रहा है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? फ्लक्स चेंज हो रहा है टाइम के साथ, तो उसके बीच में अगर कॉयल, तुम कोई कॉयल को रख दिए तो उसमें ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होगा, क्योंकि उस कॉयल में जो फ्लक्स कट करेगा वो टाइम के साथ साथ चेंज होता जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स इट विल क्रिएट एन ईएमएफ. हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now anyone other has any doubt? Because this is a very important part, so try to clear your doubt, all doubt. If the pandemic situation
Sir,
হ্যাঁ শুভায়ন সাহা
sir,
হ্যাঁ বল.
as the rotor is moving, with it the magnetic field is also moving, right?
Yes.
So that is the cause why there is induced EMF all
Yes.
over the rotor.
Over the stator.
अच्छा, over the stator, no?
हाँ, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग रोटर को घुमा रहे हैं और स्टेटर से हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई ले रहे हैं. तो आउटपुट कौन सा साइड है? स्टेटर है, क्योंकि ये स्टैटिक है. रोटर मूविंग पार्ट है, उसमें हम लोग शैप लगा के उसको हम लोग घुमा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो जब वो घूम रहा है तो ये रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ फ्लक्स हो रहा है, तो उसके कारण से स्टेटर का जो कॉइल है उसमें ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड हो रहा है, तो उधर से हम लोग ईएमएफ को कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. समझ में आया शुभम?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, if the pandemic situation get over, I don't know when it will get over. Suppose it get over in the next semester, so we will conduct an industrial visit for you, because your current 4th year batch has already visited the DVC power plant. I think you have heard from your senior also, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there, if you go there, you will see that how the alternator is look like. You cannot see the inner part, but from outside you can see that how the alternator is look like. Okay. Now, as I have told you that in the last class, I have told you about electrical degree and mechanical. হ্যালো
মনে হচ্ছে নাড়ু
Hello.
দিলীপ মনে হয় কানেকশনে কোনো একটা প্রবলেম করেছে।
হ্যালো হ্যাঁ সৌম্যদীপ, কি
Yes, sir.
আরে কিছু না, কি হয়েছে বলতো, আমি ভিডিওটা কাটতে গিয়ে এই ব্রাউজারটা কেটে দিয়েছি. ওকে, সো লাস্ট ডে আই হ্যাভ টোল্ড ইউ অ্যাবাউট দ্য ইলেকট্রিক্যাল ডিগ্রি অ্যান্ড মেকানিক্যাল ডিগ্রি.
No, sir.
জাস্ট আই হ্যাভ টোল্ড ইউ না
No, sir.
ইলেকট্রিক্যাল. আচ্ছা দাঁড়া দেখাচ্ছি, ওটা আমি দেখাচ্ছি.
Sir, you have not discussed. You have just tell.
Yes, I have not discussed, I have just told, tell, yes, right. I have just tell, right. Achha, let me share my screen. I will give you the video, okay, in the Google Classroom. I will share the video link. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
this is the concept of electrical and mechanical degree. As you can see that this is the 4-pole machine. Okay, this is a 4-pole machine. These are the 4 poles. These are the rotor portion. This circle is the rotor portion. Now just
Sir, this is for DC machine.
AC আমরা তো AC পড়ছি. অল্টারনেটার এসি না?
But sir, it's look like sir DC machine.
Yes, it look like a DC machine because we are seeing that like the pole. This is the stator pole. ओके, स्टेटर में जो वर्चुअल पोल क्रिएट होता है वही है वो, वैसे हम लोग इसको ऐसे दिखाए हैं. दिस इज नॉट फॉर डीसी मशीन. जैसे मैंने अभी बोला ना स्टेटर में वर्चुअल पोल क्रिएट होता है, वैसे ही हम लोग यहाँ पर ड्रॉ किए कि दिस आर द वर्चुअल पोल्स. ओके, हेलो हेलो, ओके
Yes, sir.
okay, now just see that. अच्छा, let me show you. अच्छा, suppose this is one pole. Okay, this is one pole, this is one pole, this is one pole, this is one pole. These are the stator pole. These are the stator pole and these are the rotor. This side is the rotor. Now if this is a stator, that means this total periphery is how much? 360 degree. This total periphery is 360 degree. Okay,
Yes sir.
so total periphery is 360 degree. Now here there are 4 poles. Now as the concept is there, if there is a one pole, suppose a north pole is there and a south pole is there, this one is a north pole, this one is a south pole. আচ্ছা, এটা ছাড়া আমি পরের দিন বোর্ডে এটা দেখাবো, এখান থেকে বুঝতে পারবি না, আমি পরের দিন বোর্ডে দেখাবো, আমি ঠিক বুঝতে পারবি না এটা. লেট ইট বি, I will show you in the next class in the board, electrical and mechanical degree. আচ্ছা, up to the construction and the working principle, is there any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
I will show you the electrical and mechanical degree in the next class by showing in the board, because from that figure it is very difficult to understand. So if you have others people, please, if you have any doubt you can ask. Try to concept the clear. Someone has says acha ekta kotha, someone, it is clear na, alternator is used for AC, not used for DC, because it is alternating in nature.
Yes sir. Yes.
Okay, Aditya Bhomik. Hello, Aditya Bhomik.
স্যার।
বুঝেছিস যেটা বললাম?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ঠিক আছে, কোনো ডাউট নেই তো?
না স্যার।
আচ্ছা, দেখি আর দেখি। Bishwajit Shoran.
Yes, sir.
Have you understand all the thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, I will now take the roll number. Okay. Sweta.
Yes, sir.
Roll number.
18.
Don't write in the chat box. Acha, Aditya. 52. Aditya 52. Okay. Abhishek Raj.
Sir, 54.
54. Have you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Aditya Bhomik.
Yes, sir.
কত রোল?
53.
53. আচ্ছা, অনিস তো 50, অভিজিৎ পাল
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 61.
61, ভাস্কর শ্রীধর,
45.
বাসব দত্ত, you want to say something? You try.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, good. আচ্ছা, চিত্রাংশ রঞ্জন,
Yes, sir. 44.
44, দীপক কুমার,
Sir, 43.
43, আচ্ছা, সুবোধ
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
8, okay. সৃজিতা 12, সৌম্যজিৎ 14, সঞ্চারী 26, সাজি 28, বাসব দত্তা 46, অভিনব 56, শ্রেয়া 58, Shreya, you understand all the thing?
Yes, sir.
Chameli 59, Abhishek 66, Namrata 63, Harsh 42, Harshit Aman,
Sir, 41.
have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Kaushiki Bharadwaj, Kaushiki Bharadwaj, Moyuk Bhattacharya
Yes, sir. 36.
36, Niloy Mondol,
Sir, 65.
Nipu Kumari 67,
Yes, sir. 67. Yes, sir.
প্রজ্জ্বল রায় চৌধুরী
Sir, 64.
64, রেহান আজিজ, রেহান, রেহান তোদের সিয়ার না?
Yes, sir.
জো কাণ্ড। আচ্ছা, ইন্দুমৌলি 40,
Yes, sir.
ওকে। আচ্ছা, রেহান, সমৃদ্ধি পাঠক,
Yes, sir. 27.
হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Shantanu De,
Yes, sir. Roll number 60.
60,
Yes, sir. 60.
সর্বজিৎ কুমার,
Yes, sir. Roll 24.
24, okay. সায়ন ঘোষ,
Yes, sir. Roll 22.
22,
সায়ন কোথায়? দিদি কোথায়?
শোয়েব রিজওয়ান,
Yes, sir. Roll 20.
সৌরজ্যোতি মাইতি,
Sir, roll 19.
সৌম্যদীপ নন্দী,
প্রেজেন্ট স্যার।
আর কত
রোল
রোল?
15।
15,
15
আচ্ছা। সৌরদীপ
yes.
ঘোষ,
Sir, 13.
13, শুভঙ্কর দত্ত,
Sir, 11.
11, সুভাষ বোস,
Yes, sir. 10, sir.
10, শুভায়ন সাহা,
Roll number 9, sir.
সুদীপ্ত কয়াল,
9.
রোল 7 স্যার।
7, স্বস্তিকা দাস,
Roll 5, sir.
5, তনয় কুমার,
Sir, 3.
3, তথাগত, হ্যালো তথাগত,
Yes, sir.
কত?
Sir, roll 2.
2,
Roll 2.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। বিশ্বজিৎ
Yes, sir. Roll 69.
69, and কৌশিকী
Sir, roll 39.
39, okay. Rehan, are you there? Okay, students. So now, thank you. You can go to the Google Classroom, and there will be a test from 150. Okay, from Google Form. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.